Stop sighing, Tyler. We're all warm. Why didn't you go swim with your friends?
I'm too hot to move. And we already spent enough time outside yesterday.
Yeah, Argo really enjoyed sunbathing at the beach. But now I think the heat's finally getting to him.
I'm at the North Pole. I'm at the North Pole.
Well, why isn't your aircon working?
It's been broken since last night.
No!
The repairman said he can only come in tomorrow to fix it, so we'll just have to use the fan till then.
But it's too hot. Look, even the fan is slowly dying from the heat.
And whose fault is that? The AC probably broke because you've been blasting it for the past couple of days.
So it's Tyler's fault.
Hey, don't blame me. Blame the heat wave.
Don't worry, Marie to the rescue. Who needs the AC when you have me around? Check out this cool makeshift air conditioner I'm making.
Whoa.
I'm gonna name it the MC when it's done. Marie's Cooler.
Please finish it soon. Argo and I will just be here, not distracting you. Come, Argo, let's research on ways and how to cool down.
That doesn't sound like scientific research to me.
Well, there's science involved in this. Kind of. It's the biggest thing now. I can't not watch it.
Science in a robot dance.
Body science. Whatever, Marie. The point is, this video is getting so many hits. Wait, we should do the same and put Argo in the video too. We'll go viral.
This person is really good.
I bet I can do a better robot dance than you.
But I am a robot. Of course I'll be better at it.
Nuh-uh, I won't be so sure of that.
Bring it on, Tyler.
Robot dance battle. Marie, come on.
Why? Why did you make us dance so much when it's the hottest day ever?
Okay, that was a bad idea. I feel sticky. And smelly. Ew.
Well, at least we know one thing. You can't beat a robot in robot dance. Right, Argo? Argo?
Uh-oh, he doesn't look so well. Argo, dude, what's wrong with you?
I think my battery has overheated.
It's probably because of the heat. And he did spend a good few hours under the sun yesterday at the beach.
Oh no, and all the crazy dancing he just did.
We gotta do something to cool down Argo.
I know.
My automatic cooling system must be down.
What can we do to cool you down?
I'll be okay. I just can't speak as fast.
My ice has melted.
Oh no, now the MC is broken too. What are we gonna do?
Maybe we can go to my base and find out what's wrong.
Your base, when you're like this, are you sure?
Don't worry. I'll enter sleep mode when that happens, so I won't overheat more.
All right, if you're sure. Tyler, you're in charge of keeping Argo cool until we get back.
Yes, ma'am.
AR, go!
This is my cooling system.
Wow, I never realized you were made out of all these parts.
Look, there it is.
Is that...
A fracture on one of my components.
So, do you think that's why you can't cool down as usual?
Yes, I think so.
Then, let's find a way to fix that.
That's weird. Maybe there's something wrong with the screen. Bob?
Hello, Argo. Marie.
You should really come with some sort of alarm or warning signal. Anyway, Bob, can you help us? We're kind of in a crisis.
I'm getting tired.
Oh, yes, it's the heat wave, isn't it? Argo's component must have expanded and fractured due to overheating.
Yes, we think Argo's cooling system is down because of that fractured component, and we need to fix it.
It should not be difficult to fix the fracture, but you will need to find a way to make sure it doesn't heat up and expand again.
We tried looking for some information online.
But the images don't seem to be loading properly.
Yes, the heat wave has caused a decrease in internet speed. The packets are traveling slow.
Oh, that explains why some video files were pixelated.
I know someone who may be able to help you. Why don't you meet me here?
All right, come on, Argo. Let's go fix you. Let's go.
It's so hot in here.
Everything does feel slower.
Like me.
There are electrons in cyberspace, very small pieces of matter and energy. They help to transport these data packets, but the heat wave is affecting them, and the packets don't get delivered on time.
Is there anything we can do?
Don't worry, cyberspace will right itself. We have to wait it out till the heat wave goes away. Anyway, you have a bigger concern at hand.
Yeah. Sorry.
Oh, right. We have more important things to do.
Due to the slow packets, this place we're going to is a little limited.
It better be back soon. I don't think I can keep this up for much longer.
That's James Prescott Joule, a famous English physicist and mathematician who first discovered thermal energy.
Boo! Did you like my shocking entrance?
James and his brother used to experiment with electricity by giving each other electric shocks. If you ask me, I think his brain is still a little fried. Good day, James. My friends here would like to know more about how to prevent overheating, so we can help keep a robot cool.
Ah, yes, heat. It's a form of energy, just like light. Light makes a place bright, while heat makes a place warm. Heat is energy that moves between two objects when one is hotter than the other. Most materials expand when heated and contract when cooled. When this metal ball is heated, it gains heat and expands. As a result, the ball can't pass through the ring.
Mr. Jewel, what happens when the metal ball continues to be heated?
Depending on the object, too much heat can cause cracks or meltdowns. The damage to Argo's component is a good example.
Hey, I'm James too, James Dewar.
The significantly less famous James.
That's James Dewar, the inventor of the vacuum flask.
Oh, my mom uses that every day to keep her coffee warm at work.
Ah, so he invented something. But did he have a unit of energy named after him?
Peh, show off. Anyway, I couldn't help overhearing
Eavesdropping?
your discussion on heat. Maybe I can help. I invented the vacuum flask, you know, which helps slow down heat transfer.
Oh, how does it work?
Well, I wanted to create a container that could store a cold substance for a longer period of time. I experimented with different materials. Finally, I realized that heat cannot travel from the outer wall to the inner wall if there is no air. There will be no convection. So, I removed the air to create a vacuum. Just like that, The cold substance in the flask remains cold.
So, if the substance in the flask is warm, it remains warm for a longer time too.
Precisely.
Do some materials allow heat to flow through more easily than others?
Absolutely. Materials that allow heat to flow through easily are called good conductors of heat. For example, a metal frying pan is a good conductor of heat, which is great for cooking food, while the plastic handle is a poor conductor of heat and helps to protect our hands from the heat while cooking.
What are other poor conductors of heat? I've been trying to make a DIY cooler with the fan at home, but my ice keeps melting.
Have you tried styrofoam? It's a great material to reduce heat loss, and it's easily available.
Oh, why I didn't think of that. I'll try that out when I get home. Sorry, Mr. Dua, 1 second. Yes, Tyler? Is Argo okay?
He's more than okay. I fixed him.
You did? But I don't feel any better.
Oh no, Tyler, what did you do?
I just put Argo in the fridge. He'll stay cool for good now. Phew, this has been a really stressful day.
No,
Don't do that.
do that. Condensation will happen.
Condensation?
When water is heated, it gains heat and changes from a liquid to a gas. This is called evaporation.
But when you put something in the fridge, it gets cold. When warm air from the outside gets in contact with the icy surface, the reverse happens as the gas loses heat and changes to liquid. This is called condensation.
This liquid is not good for your robotic parts.
And you really shouldn't expose electronics to fluctuating temperatures anyway.
As it will damage the battery and core parts of its internal system.
Tyler, take Argo out of the fridge now.
Okay, I'll take him out now. But it's still so hot out here, and I'm sweating so much.
Sorry, just hang in there and continue blowing on Argo until we get back. No putting him in the fridge. Sweat. I wonder why we sweat.
Sweating is our body's way of cooling down. Sweat evaporates from the skin, and the vapor takes away some of the heat with it.
In fact, I heard some Japanese researchers figured out how to make robots sweat so they don't overheat.
That's it. Argo, maybe we can try that.
But because I don't feel so well.
Oh no, we don't have much time.
Is there any way to stop the heat wave in the real world?
I'm afraid not. With global warming looming, the heat wave is something you will continue to face in the years to come.
Oh no, we're killing the planet.
Well, there are many little things you can do to help the environment. Raising the AC temperature to 25 degrees helps to save energy and is better for the environment.
We'll have to remind Tyler about that.
Or just don't use the AC if you can. Eat a watermelon.
I promise.
Every small step counts towards making the world a cooler place to live in.
A world without you in it would be a cooler place to live in.
I wish we can rid the world of your uncool jokes.
We're not fighting, we're just having a healthy, heated debate. Heated debate, get it?
Not cool, James Jewell.
Subpar, James Dewar.
I think we should go. I have an idea on how to keep you cool.
What should we do about them?
At least they can't reach each other. They'll be fine.
Uh-oh.
Worry not. This happens all the time, just like spam in your inbox.
Thank you, Bob. I have to go fix Argo now.
Take care and hang in there, little one.
All right, Argo, bring me to your cooling system. Cool. Look at your pipes. They're like intestines.
This feels weird. I'm inside myself.
It's really warm, though. Not a good sign. Okay, let's look at the map you gave me. Where's the fractured component we saw earlier?
Marie, I don't feel so good.
Oh no, Argo. Just hang in there. I'm going to need your help.
The fracture is beside the blue.
Beside a blue what?
It's just beside the blue.
Whoa! Argo!
So sorry, I'm losing focus.
It's okay. I think I better hurry up. So that's why the current can't continue. Alright, time to work. Solids melt when heated, and liquids harden when cooled. This is just like melting chocolate. What? Come on, Argo. I just need you to stay awake for me for one more minute. Can you do that for me?
Oh, Marie, you did it. I'm starting to feel better.
Oh, thank goodness. I'll need to research on the Japanese robots the Jameses mentioned and figure out how to make you sweat. We will make sure your cooling system always stays cool.
Thank you for fixing me, Marie.
Anytime, Argo. Now we better get back to my room. Tyler must have melted into a warm puddle by now.
There's a warm puddle, all right. Beware, Tyler's drool.
Ugh. Tyler, wake up.
I got your back, Argo. Who's there? Oh, hi.
Weren't you supposed to keep Argo cool until we return?
I did all I can, but it was so warm. And when you guys shouted at me for putting Argo in the fridge, I had no more energy left. Argo! You're alive!
Marie went into my internal system to save me.
You're what?
Anyway, Marie is here to save the day. I'm getting us styrofoam boxes.
Can I put my ice cream inside as well?
Just put your ice cream in the freezer like normal people.
Fine.
Marie, look what I've got. Drinks and ice. Can you believe this weather?
Thanks, Dad. I'm glad Mom is on her work trip. London is so cold, she won't even sweat.
Oh, your mom is lucky. I've lost 2 kg from sweating.
Whoa, what is that?
The new MC.
MC?
Marie's cooler. Just a little DIY air conditioner I made.
Wow, our little scientist in the family.
I'm feeling super cool now.
Marie's a lifesaver.
Oh, Dad, did you know Argo can do the robot dance?
Yeah, it's time for Argo to break out those moves. Dance battle!
Hello, I'm Marie. Did you know that energy cannot be created or destroyed? It can only be transferred or changed from one form to another. Today we are going to be doing an experiment on how thermal energy or heat is transferred from one object to another. For this experiment, you'll need some balloons, a candle, some water, a lighter or matches. First, light up the candle and blow up your balloon. Tie the balloon securely. What do you think will happen when I place the balloon over the flame? Yes, it pops. This happens because the heat from the candle melts a tiny hole in the balloon, causing it to burst. To understand why this happens, first you need to know that everything in the universe is made out of tiny elements called atoms. When something gets hotter, its atoms move faster and away from each other, making the object expand. The opposite happens when the object is cooled. The molecules slow down and the object contracts. We can usually prevent the balloon from popping by putting some water inside. Let's try it again now. We'll hold the balloon with water over the flame for about 5 seconds. It didn't pop. With the water inside, the heat from the candle goes into the balloon and then it is absorbed by the water, preventing the balloon from melting and bursting. Energy exists in many different forms. There is heat energy, which we just explored today, light energy, electrical energy, sound energy, kinetic energy, and lots more. What other fun experiments can you do to demonstrate transfer of energy? As my favorite scientist Marie Curie once said, "Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood." Don't let fear stop you from exploring. See you next time. Bye!